So, how do you paint tile the right way? There are a few different methods, and make sure you follow the specific instructions of the products you have purchased. But first, prep is the key. You need a squeaky clean surface, and you'll want to get rid of any mold or mildew. Clean the tiles with a degreasing soap. Sand the tiles to create a better surface for the primer and for paint to stick. A palm sander with 100 or 200 grit sandpaper will do the trick. Clean again, removing all the dust. Prime with a high adhesion primer like sticks. This stuff is designed to bond to tricky surfaces and is essential for a successful paint job. Apply the primer by rolling it on, then use a brush to get into the grout lines. Then smooth it out with a roller. Paint using multiple thin coats of a semi-gloss finish, and it'll give you that tile-like shine. For bathrooms and high humidity areas, use a mildew resistant paint like Bath and Spa. If you want that high-end durable finish, consider waterborne alkaline paint. Be sure the paint is completely dry before moving on to your next coat. And remember, your paint can chip and scratch and peel, especially in a high traffic or high moisture area. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that bell icon so you don't miss any updated tile and stone installation. And do me a favor, watch this next video right here. It's fun. I picked it just for you. And don't forget, let's keep learning together and tile the world.